Hey, welcome back to Southern Royalty, and I'm here with my friend Wendy, and we are going to be doing the Hawaiian fudge, the little fudgelets. This is what they look like, and we're going to try them and see which one we like the best. And here are all the flavors. So, we're going to try them and let you know. All right. So which one we're starting with?
So yeah, turn it over.
Which one you want to start with? Your choice.
Maybe whichever one we think will be grossest.
Well, they all look pretty good.
Yeah. The one says mud pie though.
All right, let's try the Maui mud pie. It's a little bit stuck to the thing. That's what it looks like.
It's okay. It's probably
Yeah.
not gonna be my favorite.
Yeah, I don't think so either, but it ain't bad. It's just, what's up next?
You can pick.
All right, let's go with the passion fruit orange.
That's the second prettiest one.
Yeah, it is pretty. Oh, I
I
didn't show
can't
it.
get it out. I'm still chewing the other one.
Fruity for sure. I kind of like it. It's got kind of a real good taste.
Yeah, that one's
Once you
good.
get into that. Okay. Your pick. We got 4 more.
Let's do the turtle.
All right.
It'll be so fruity.
I can get it up. That's what the turtle
That
looks
one was
like.
too fat. No. Get this one. That one's pretty good.
Yep. So let's see. Let's do the cheesecake.
Is that the yellow one?
Yes, that's the.
That one has a really good flavor. I thought it was supposed to be lemon. I guess because it was yellow.
It does got a really good flavor though. I
Mhm.
may have another something else.
No, I don't know what that is.
Yeah, but it's really good. All right, we got 2 left.
The pretty one.
Let's do the other pretty one. Lava
What is
flow and coffee and cherry.
Coffee.
That's what it says.
I don't really taste coffee.
You can taste a little bit of the cherry though.
The cheesecake one is still better, I think.
And then we have the last one, the chocolate macadamia nut.
Not
Get my
allergic,
finger.
are you?
No.
Just checking.
You're not, are you?
No.
Okay.
That one's pretty good.
Yeah. A lot of these are pretty good. So, what's your favorite?
Cheesecake.
Cheesecake?
Mhm.
Mine was the passion fruit. Mine's here. And here's the cheesecake. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this, and until next time, bye.
Did it stop it? This one?